Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune report for Johnny in West Virginia on this new RCI-2970N3. Johnny, we got it ready to go for you, man. This thing's rocking and rolling with the RT1 transistors. Got your RF power all the way down, 250 watt slug. It will turn down to 10 watts if you decide to run an amplifier with it. Better be a big one though. Roll it up, 100 watts all the way up. Average power swing, low, around 225, 230 bird. 500 watt scale, peak, low, 500 watts. The little brother to the N4, it ain't too far behind either. Alright, Johnny, I hope you enjoy it, and I appreciate your business and your friendship. Check us out at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.